Once you are buying or selling something online, or perhaps rendering a service or producing something, you can hardly escape PayPal. PayPal is among the top 3 global payment service providers in the world, even though in some countries you may not be allowed to use PayPal. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your PayPal funds to other fiat currencies like NAIRA, US dollars, British pounds, or even to cryptocurrencies like USDT or BNB in less than 30 minutes or between 30 minutes to 1 hour or 2 hours depending on how fast you respond or how fast you provide the requirements. There are still options for you to convert your PayPal funds to other online payment gateways like Perfect Money, ADV Cash, and so on. Please note that this is not a sponsored video and everything I'm going to tell you in this video is what I've tested and done several times over the years. My name is Waterfred1 and we are starting right now. So this is the website, and the name of this website is called Magnatus, and I'm going to leave the link to this website, the sign up link, in my YouTube video description, okay? But before you rush the video description to go and sign up, please note that there is no place that is written sign up here. There is no sign up or register button here. So the sign up button, the sign up process, I mean to say, is a little bit tricky, okay? So let me show you how you are going to sign up on this website. And I've been using Magnatus for almost 8 years now. I've been using Magnatus since 2016. So what are you going to do when you want to sign up on this website? What you have to do is to come to this place written exchange, click on it, and then it will ask you put in your email. Okay, all these ones that are marked with asterisk are very important. It means that those fields must be filled. You see, fields is obligatory to fill, which means you are obliged, it is recommended, not just recommended, you must have to fill in those places that has all these asterisks. Okay, this is my email, and what is the direct to ask you direction? This direction is what are you exchanging from? I'm exchanging PayPal. Let's look for it. PayPal USD. Okay, so now you can select whatever you want. This is ADV Cash Euro, ADV Cash Rob. This is ADV Cash USD, whatever you want. This is Binance Coin, Binance USD, Bitcoin, Cardano, DAI. Okay, anything at all that you want. Okay, USDT. Of course, you know, if you are exchanging to Naira, you can select PayPal to Theta USDT or BEP20. Okay, anyone you want. Okay, so let's just say you go through this and you've selected Theta USDT BEP20. Okay, this is USDT. Okay, or ADV Cash, anyone. Then put in the amount of PayPal that you want to exchange. Let's say we want to exchange 150 USDT. Okay, yeah, so now they will tell you the exact amount that you're going to receive. You are going to receive 132.21 Theta BEP20. Now, for those that might think that the charges of these people are high, I want to tell you, first of all, these are very reliable people and I'm not being paid to do this. Then secondly, if you are trying to exchange through someone, you know how it goes. The rates, the rate that people exchange PayPal can be ridiculous sometimes. That is if you see a reliable exchange, someone who is willing to exchange it for you. Okay, so I recommend you stick here. And one thing I also want to tell you is these people, once you sign up with them, it will be hard for you to change your PayPal email. Use your major PayPal account, not just use one PayPal account today and tomorrow you bring up another PayPal account. They are going to ask you why are you changing your account, and you go explain tire. Okay, so you click here, okay, then to ask you your PayPal email USD, I paste here, and it will ask you what, put in your account, your Theta BEP20 USDT account. You just paste your address. So this is my BEP20 address. You need to be careful when you are exchanging crypto. Okay, so you paste the right address. So now you read all these things and know if you want any of these services, any of these fast standing, whatever. For me, I don't want any of this, so forget about this. Now your password, of course, you type your password. Okay, so you type your password. Make sure you save your password. Okay, in a secure place. Make sure you don't forget it. If you like, you can generate your password here. Okay, or you just type manually yourself. Okay, and then you fill in your details. Make sure these details are filled in according to the exact information on your identity document. Okay, so let me just use anything at all. Okay. This country now, select the country of your PayPal account. If your PayPal is a USA PayPal, select US. If your PayPal is a Bulgarian or whatever, just or Iceland or whatever, just put in the country of your PayPal account here. Then when you put it in, let us say I'm sending from, let's assume that I'm sending from a Bulgarian PayPal account. Okay, there is Bulgaria. This is Bulgaria. Okay, yeah, and the mobile number comes out this way. Don't worry, just change it, put your normal phone number here. Okay, so I just put in my mobile phone number, and if you like, you can put your additional emails or whatever, but these ones are not necessary. Okay, then what are you going to do? Click I'm not a robot, select the captcha. Okay, and click on submit. You can save if you want. Okay, so once you come up here, yeah, so what are you going to do? Just scroll down and then you read the requirements. Okay, now these requirements might seem much, but it is not something they're going to ask you all the time. This is just one time. Okay, one time, just add all this information. Okay, so they are just going to ask you some questions just for the first time. Okay, just put in the answer, just answer, put number one, answer number two, number three, just answer all this. It is just for the first time, just for the first time. Okay, so in case if you are having any if you're having any confusion about this, you can still send me a DM on our Instagram or on TikTok if you are confused in any of how to answer any of this, and I'm going to tell you what I think is the right answer for you to tell them, because I've been using this for a long time. Okay, so once you type all your answers here, you click on submit. Okay, yeah, so now if you go to my email, you will see this is my email. You see registration and Magnatus, you've been registered, and then this is my order request. You can see it. You can see you have an exchange order, this to this and this to this and this, other status verification waiting. So once you answer those questions, the next thing they are going to do is what they are going to send you an email directly to your email address and tell you the email address you're going to send the PayPal account, the PayPal funds to. And once you do that, automatically, just within after 1 hour or so, or just as fast as possible, they are going to credit your USDT wallet. Okay, that's how simple it is to create an account and make an exchange on Magnatus. Okay, so this is my account on Magnatus. This is my account on Magnatus, and you can see some of the exchanges I've done. Okay, these are some of the exchanges I've done. You can see I exchanged uh Skrill to Perfect Money, $93, and I did that on December 2016. You can see another one I did completed 2017. You can see 2017. I've been using these guys for a long time. Okay, I've been using these guys for a long time. Yeah, and they are very reliable. So now another nice thing about this is also the affiliate program. They have an amazing affiliate program, and if you go to the affiliate program, people who sign up under you, you can still get referred, and you can still get paid. You can still get paid when people sign up under you. Okay, and you can earn money too. Okay, you can see some of the money I've been paid, almost $100. Okay, yeah. Okay, so but the referral is not even the main thing why I'm doing this video, guys. The major thing is how reliable these guys have been, because I've been using them since 2016. Okay, so if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to answer as much as possible. If you want to ask specific questions about the information that Magnatus asked, okay, yeah, about the my information that Magnatus are asking for in the first exchange that you want to do, you can send me a DM on Instagram or TikTok, and I can help you answer some of the questions that are confusing to you. Okay. If you enjoyed this one, please give me a like. If you did not, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And kindly share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. Thank you so much. Once more, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.